Welcome to News and Stuff, shot on the OnePlus 9 Pro with Hasselblad, where we bring you the latest from the world of tech. This episode is all about speed, and this time around we've got a snappy cinematic drone, a bike-shaped drone, a very fast scooter, a very fast car, and a game about fast cars. Oh, and there's also a gaming feature coming to a streaming platform, and our favorite gaming icon is teaming up with our favorite partner, OnePlus. All the tree's branches and all the tree's stems couldn't stop DJI from outperforming again. The DJI Mavic 3 comes with the signature dual Hasselblad mirrorless camera system capable of shooting in 4K at up to 120 FPS with 28x hybrid zoom, OcuSync 3 Plus, which promises a range of 15 kilometers, improved sensors, redesigned battery that lasts a whopping 46 minutes of flight time, and more. The DJI Mavic 3 will be available in 3 configurations from January 2022, with the DJI Mavic 3's Cine Premium combo topping the spec list with the ability to film Apple ProRes 422 HQ footage at 5.1K. Don't you wish someone would make a drone big enough for you to sit on it and beat all the traffic, you know, chitty chitty bang bang style? Well, Xturismo has done just that. Japanese automaker ALI Technologies has introduced the world to the very first ever flying bike that can hover in the sky for almost 30 minutes and reach a speed of around 100 kilometers per hour. It's a hybrid bike that runs or flies both on electricity or on petrol, weighs 300 kgs and will come as a single-seater version for now. Slated to hit the roads or skies from mid-2022, only 200 units of this futuristic bike will be manufactured by the makers. If you want to be on that list, have over 5 crore Indian rupees to spare and simply book away. While 2022 is a while away, there's enough land to cater to our need for speed, and that's why the Mercedes-AMG A45S has us all excited. The A45S is a muscular new addition to the 3-pronged star buffet on offer. The 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo petrol unit, putting out a massive 421 HP and 500 Nm of torque, is the world's most powerful turbocharged 4-cylinder series production engine. And although it comes with Merck's 4MATIC Plus 4-wheel drive system, you can also become a complete hooligan at the press of a few buttons, thanks to its exclusive drift mode that sends all the power to the rear wheels, lighting them up. It will also go from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour faster than you can say, "Oh my God!" This episode has been all about mobility, and that's why we're going to tell you about the Ducati Pro 3, so you can glide around and be eco-friendly at the same time. The Ducati Pro 3 is a scooter on steroids. As you start the scooter with a chip, its 350-watt brushless motor churns out 515 watts of peak power that you can take up to 50 kilometers on just 9 hours of charge. Its 3.2-inch LED display allows you to control the functions and navigate between your riding modes, and a USB port will ensure you charge your devices even on the go. While our roads might not be apt for that kind of ride, Forza Horizon 5s are, and this time in Mexico. Forza Horizon has always made open-world racing more interesting. Bringing the same Forza Forte into off-roading, it's a new experience to race on the treacherous Mexican terrain. Single players have many adventures to explore along the way, breaking the rules of regular racing to appreciate and explore the culture and history of Mexico along the way in vivid colors and immersive graphics. An astounding game that you can play and experience on the older Xbox consoles as well as PC without compromising on quality. As if Netflix and chill wasn't enough, it's time to play wicked games with Netflix Games. Your all-access Netflix plan now gives you access to an all-new dimension of entertainment. With 5 mobile games on offer to begin with, Netflix Games is a service available to subscribers in the many languages of your liking. As a precaution, these games are not available on kids' profiles, can be password protected, and are also available offline, so bad Wi-Fi isn't an excuse for boredom anymore. Guess how I'm gonna play all those games? Well, with the third generation Apple AirPods, of course. The third generation Apple AirPods have grown in stature but shrunk in size. Shorter socks similar to the more expensive AirPods Pro feature pinch controls instead of the older fiddly sliding gestures. They now also get adaptive EQ to tailor the sound and, more importantly, tune the bass to your ear's shape and size. But since they don't have the silicone tips like on the AirPods Pro, their one-size-fits-all approach may be a hit or a miss depending on whether your ears resemble a rabbit or a koala's. But the hugely improved sound quality, the H1 chip for seamless connection and switching between Apple devices, the MagSafe wireless charging and the IPX4 dust and splash resistance do make the new AirPods irresistible. Well, at least for Apple ecosystem owners. It's nostalgia time as the OnePlus Nord 2 now comes in a special Pac-Man edition, which means those of you who have played arcade games in all their glory, well, it's time to travel back in time. This special edition of OnePlus Nord 2 Pac-Man brings a fully customized experience of the game of the 80s. The iconic yellow pie-shaped character eating dots, avoiding being hunted by ghosts, is a refreshing new addition to the world of OnePlus. The design and features are well integrated in the OnePlus Nord 2 in the form of wallpapers, animations, and a glow-in-the-dark back panel. The immersive gameplay allows users to unlock several Easter eggs as they progress. The rest of the innards remain the same, but with Pac-Man inside, the Nord 2 is just that much more desirable. That's all from us this week. News and Stuff is shot on OnePlus with Pac-Man, Hasselblad. Well, if you like this video, please check out the link below. Please like, share and subscribe.